If I died from a little heat, then I don't deserve to live as a human being anyway. Petroglyphs. This looks like an upside-down Italian hand. Spotted a cool lizard. What a cutie. Time stands still here. If I were to sit and watch for 10,000 lifetimes, this view would be unchanged. The time it took for empires to rise and fall, for generations of heroes to die their second deaths, is perhaps shorter to form the space between these black lines. Beautiful split. Look at the sudden change in colors. Some colossal events must have happened here.